Ever feel like your bathtub is just taking up space? Maybe you don't use it anymore, or maybe stepping over the tub feels awkward and unsafe. If you're being honest, you're probably wondering, should I just turn this into a shower? Hi, I'm Curtis from Bytown Better Baths and Showers, and today I'm going to walk you through what's actually included in your tub to shower conversion, how the process works, and how much it typically costs here in Ottawa so that you can plan confidently and without surprises. One of the biggest misconceptions I hear in tub to shower conversions is it's just removing the tub and dropping in a shower base. But in reality, it's a complete rebuild of that bathing area. Most bathtubs in Ottawa were installed decades ago, using old waterproofing methods that don't meet today's standards. So when you're converting a bathtub to a shower, you're not just changing what you see, but you're also upgrading what's behind the walls too. That's why at Bytown Better Bath, every conversion starts with an in-home consultation. We look at how your bathroom is currently used, assess the plumbing layout, and help you select everything up front, such as your shower base, wall system, fixtures, glass, and any other built-in storage. That way, there's a clear plan before any work begins. Once the project starts, the tub and surrounding materials are fully removed, often right back to the studs. This step is critical because it allows us to inspect the structure, plumbing, and moisture protection. Older bathrooms often hide issues that you can't see from the surface, and addressing them early prevents bigger problems later. From there, we install the new shower system. The base, walls, updated fixtures, and features like recessed niches. Everything is installed with durability and waterproofing in mind. Most of the tub to shower conversions are completed in about 5 days, depending on what we uncover once the walls are opened. And then when you see everything that goes into this properly, it naturally leads to the question of budget. Here in Ottawa, a professional tub to shower conversion typically falls between $12,000 to $18,000. Where your project lands typically depends on a couple key factors, such as materials you choose, the conditions of your existing bathroom, accessibility features, and whether any layout changes are needed. One thing many homeowners tell us afterwards is that they wish they'd known the importance of a clear scope of work. Older wall systems can look fine on the outside, but hide water damage or mold behind them. That's why detailed estimates matter, because we believe that you should always know what's included and what isn't before the work begins. And of course, with our online pricing estimator, it gives you a realistic starting range based on your selections so that you can explore options and set expectations before booking a consultation. And in all, when you understand what's involved and what the realistic cost is, your decision becomes smooth and easier. So if you're in Ottawa and thinking about making a switch, start with our pricing estimator, or you can reach out to us at Bytown Better Baths and Showers. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.